Living or non-living? That is the question. Let's look. Can you see in the leaves and the water anything in particular that is living? So we know the leaves are not living. They're dead. They were once alive, but they lost their chlorophyll and they're not alive anymore. But now we see the frogs. Did you see the frog swimming in the water? Did you see that? I
have to
love
catch it.
It's frog season. We're going to try to catch the frog? No. Oh! Did you see that frog? Way to go. Frogs, living or
I have a
non-living?
baby
So the stimulus was the little child walking toward the frog, and the frog is now swimming away. Frogs have adaptations. We saw the adaptation that the frog had. It's camouflage. It can blend into its environment. The frog is swimming. You see the yellow ball? The frog is behind the yellow ball. It swam away. It has legs. It has little flipper thingies like web feet, so it can swim away. That's its adaptation. If we look closely, under a microscope, we can see that the frog is made up of individual cells. Those cells make up tissues, tissues make up organs. So, frogs have all the characteristics of life. They regulate. They're amphibians, so they regulate their body system and they respond to changes in their environment. What else? They use energy.
We're in a pool.
We're in a pool. They use energy. The energy that they use, they're heterotrophs, so that means they hunt for their food. They make, they have to eat other organisms in order to stay alive. R-E-D, they develop and they grow. So they were once tadpoles, and now they're frogs. They started from an egg. C, they're made of cells. A, adaptations, we already talked about it. One adaptation they have is camouflage. The other adaptation they have is their blood. Their blood can, because they're cold-blooded, they will adapt to the changes in the environment by going into warm areas if they're cold. Look at that. I want to see the tadpole in a minute. All right. I want to see the frog eggs. You see the frogs swimming around? So we're actually in a pool that we're draining. And now the frogs are in there. So hopefully after we drain the pool, clean it out, we get rid of the frogs. But this is what we do every season, and we look at the frogs. All right, let's look again. All right. Oh, I love the reflection. I want to see if the tadpoles. Let's go closer. Where do you see the tadpoles, Mimo? Look at that. What is that little thing that just went around? You see it? What is this?